Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot chili oil. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need dried red chilies, Szechuan peppercorns, and star anise for that authentic flavor. Also, prepare a neutral oil, such as canola or grapeseed, which is perfect for infusing. Don't forget a pinch of salt, a little sugar, and a touch of MSG to enhance all those wonderful tastes. Next, we'll prepare our aromatics and chili flakes. Finely chop fresh garlic, ginger, and shallots. These will infuse the oil with incredible depth. Then, grind your dried chilies into flakes, ensuring some larger pieces remain for texture. Finally, combine these chili flakes with your salt and sugar in a sturdy, heat-proof bowl, ready for the hot oil. Now for the crucial step, heating the oil. Gently heat your neutral oil to precisely 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is key for extracting maximum flavor without burning. Carefully pour the hot oil over your prepared aromatics and chili flakes in batches. Listen for that satisfying sizzle. It tells you the oil is perfectly hot and infusing beautifully. Once infused, allow your hot chili oil to cool completely to room temperature. This step is vital for the flavors to meld and deepen. Then, carefully transfer the cooled oil into a clean, airtight jar. Store your homemade chili oil in a cool, dark place, and it will remain fresh and flavorful for up to 3 months, ready to elevate any dish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.